Hello everyone, welcome back to BSB Training's video series. Today's topic is Apache Ant, the build automation tool. The simple definition which can be found online is that Apache Ant is a Java-based build tool from Apache Software Foundation. Apache Ant's build files are written in XML and they take advantage of being open, standard, portable, and easy to understand. It is similar to Make but implemented using Java. The structure or the file format of AND files are in XML based formatted files. It's easily extendable using Java classes. Basically, AND stands for another neat tool, and it's a Java based build tool from Apache. Before going into details of Apache Ant, let's understand why we need a build tool in the first place. So, on an average, a developer spends a substantial amount of time doing mundane tasks like build and deployment that includes compiling the code and packaging the binaries, deploying the binaries to the test servers after packaging, testing the changes, copying the code from one location to another. So to automate and simplify the above task which I have mentioned here, Apache Ant is useful. It is an operating system build and deployment tool that can be executed from the command line. Let's talk about few more facts about Ant. That Ant was first created by James Duncan Davidson, the original author of Tomcat. It was originally used to build a Tomcat and was bundled as a part of Tomcat distribution and was basically born out of problems and complexities associated with the Apache Make tool. So we can say that Apache Ant is the overcome from the issues which we are getting in Apache Make tool. Ant was promoted as an independent project in Apache in the year 2000, and the latest version of Apache Ant as on May 2015 is 1.9.7. So Apache Ant is distributed under the Apache software license. It's a fully fledged open source license certified by the open source initiatives. Now if you want to download and install the latest Apache Ant version along with its full source codes, class files and documentation, can be visit this site, the link which I have mentioned here, the http://ant.apache.org, and from here we can download the Apache Ant. Now, before installing the Apache Ant on an operating system, we need to make sure that we have already downloaded and installed JDK on the computer. If we haven't done, or if you haven't done yet, you need to download and set it up. How to download and set up Java on an operating system? You can visit my previous video or existing videos in which I have specified how to set up Java on a Ubuntu system, because in this case, in this video, we will be going to have a look how to download and install Apache Ant on an Ubuntu operating system. Let's have a look how can we set up Ant on an Ubuntu operating system. So first of all, I'll visit the ant.apache.org to download the latest version of Ant. So I visit http://ant.apache.org, and from here I click on this download link. Under download, I click on binary distributions. So from here, binary distributions, I'm going to download the binary formatted file. So I download the binary formatted file. we have binary distribution, and I download it in Apache and 1.9.7 bin zip format. So I have already downloaded it just to save time and store at a location. So once you get download, it will stored under download folder, and from here I have moved it onto my directory under user. So within user you can see I have moved from there to Apache and 1.9.7 bin zip, and then I have unzipped it successfully. Once it has been unzipped, I need to set the environment path. I need to set the path for Apache and to set the path, I open terminal, and in terminal I pass a command sudo gedit /etc /profile. Set the path for Apache. So the directory here it's under user. So I set the path here, and underscore home is equal to /usr/ the name, it's Apache, and so I pass here Apache and 1.9.7, and I export this and underscore home. Then I set it path is equal to $path colon dollar and underscore home /bin, because in Apache and there is a bin directory, and within bin we have ant file or ant lab command ant file which we need to be run our program. And then I pass export path. So once I'm done with this, I'll save it and close it. And in terminal, I pass ./etc/profile just to make sure whether path has been set successfully or not. So I pass echo $path, and it has been added successfully. To verify the successful installation of Apache and on your computer, simply type ant on your command prompt and you will see the similar output. I'm getting a message here, build.xml does not exist. It means ant has been installed successfully. Or if you want to find out which version of ant has been installed, so I pass ant version. So the version is 1.9.7 and it's compiled on April 9, 2016. I'm getting build.xml error here because Apache and always look for build.xml file in the current directory, because the build.xml file contains the target tags which mention the Java classes, Java program to be executes, or the JSP files or the files which we need to be execute. All those targets will be sent within the build.xml file. So if build.xml file by default is not yet been created, we need to build it manually. So in next video, we'll be going to see how to create a project by using ant and how to compile it. So that's all in this video. I hope you found this video interesting. If that's so, don't forget to press like button. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on ant. If you have any questions, you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.